Welcome to JH. Maskiss 24K Gold Eye masks are currently colonizing every social media feed in existence, promising to fix dark circles, puffiness, and the general despair of aging. Honestly, I had to see what the hype was about, because apparently, the only thing standing between you and eternal youth is a little bit of shiny foil under your eyes. These patches are loaded with 24K gold, collagen, and hyaluronic acid, essentially a cocktail of ingredients that sound expensive enough to make you feel better about your life choices. You get 25 to 50 pairs per pack, and all it takes is 20 minutes of sitting there looking like a very confused Bond villain. Let's be real about the science, or at least the marketing version of it. Hyaluronic acid provides deep moisture, collagen adds a bit of bounce, and the gold particles are supposed to help with blood flow, though they mostly just help with your Instagram aesthetic. These aren't magic fixes that will delete your bad decisions from 2010. They primarily tackle surface-level issues like dryness and puffiness. Surprisingly, user feedback is quite solid, with most people seeing instant hydration and a fresher look immediately after use. The cooling effect feels amazing on tired eyes, but for actual wrinkle reduction, you'd need to use these consistently for months, not just once before a high school reunion. Think of these patches as a quick fix for when you're dealing with a serious lack of sleep or a big event. The moisture boost makes you look more awake, serving as a sort of makeup for your skincare routine. The patches actually stay put, which is a miracle considering most skincare products have the structural integrity of wet tissue paper. While some users complain about a lack of permanent, overnight results, that's just not how biology works. Maskiss won't reverse 20 years of aging while you nap, but it will make you look less like a zombie in the morning. If you want a reasonable pick-me-up at a fair price, it's worth a try. Just keep your expectations as grounded as your coffee habit. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time.